Today's quick coding tip focuses on coding skin ulcers in diabetic patients. My name is Claire and I'm an inpatient coding auditor. In my coding tips and tricks videos, you'll discover valuable insights to help sharpen your medical coding skills and code with confidence. As a coder, you can code certain conditions that are linked in the coding index by the words with or in as related, even if the physician hasn't documented a cause-effect relationship. One example is diabetes, which has a whole host of associated conditions linked to it. Let's take a look at the index for the main term diabetes. Looking through the subterms under diabetes, we see foot ulcer listed. Due to the index linking these two terms by the words with, any ulcer located on the foot in a diabetic patient will be coded as a diabetic foot ulcer, unless the physician has specifically documented that the ulcer has a different cause. Then, scrolling down further through the subterms, we find an entry for skin ulcer NEC. This may make you think that any skin ulcer in a diabetic patient gets coded here, but that's not the case. The guideline does not apply to broad, non-specific categories such as skin ulcers NEC. So that's it for today's quick tip. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I release new content. If there's any topics you'd like me to cover, just leave a comment below and I'll add them to my list. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.